Essay writing, Grade 1, Myself.
Good morning, students. We have two new students in class today. Let's welcome them.
Hi, my name is Roy. I am 6 years old. I study in grade 1. I live in Mumbai. There are 6 members in my family. They are my grandfather, my grandmother, my father, my mother, my sister, and I. My best friends are Ria and Jay. My favorite food is fish sandwich. I love playing football. Will you all be my friends? Thank you. Hi everyone. My name is Sonia. I am 5 years old. I live with my parents. My father's name is Samir. He is a bank officer. My mother's name is Bharati. She is a businesswoman. Maya is my best friend. We play badminton in the evening. I practice my guitar every day. Thank you for being my friends.
Hey, this video was made just for you. If you've liked it, do give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to my channel. If you have a question, I'll be happy to answer it. You can also leave a comment and question down below. Thank you. Bye-bye.